Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So we will start with US30. As you can see, the US30 is still pushing this bearish. From this area, we start taking the sells, guys. Look how many sell you can take. Okay, so it's still pushing. Look at the weekly. Okay, it's kind of like creating a double top until now. Still not confirmed until we see here. Okay, but now that's a good retest of the same high. I talked about before in the live, in the morning live sessions, that we might retest the same high again and push down. Okay, this candle, look at this weekly candle, closed as an engulfing candle. Okay, this one even opened wick up and then pushing down. On the daily, look where your sells are confirmed. Okay, look at this area. Look here. It's not breaking it. And look at those candles. Look at those candles. Okay, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. But the bullish like smaller. And after like a big push, okay, it broke this area. It was a head and shoulder. If you remember, we talked even about it. Abdullah talked about it like multiple times. Look that's great how you walk like from weekly, daily, 4 hours. Look how you see it. Okay, look, even breaking here, you can start taking like the cells, and then it did this one. That's a scalp cell. Okay, not confirmed, and like it's still too much bullish. Okay, so it made the head and shoulders. Wait, let me. Okay, I will put it. Okay, it made head and shoulders after like a huge push. But that's the confirmations you take with. Okay, after a big push, it made like head and shoulders. Okay, and then it retested. You look at it, it retested as a like kind of liquidity. Okay, you go daily. Look, that's the last high. Look at all this big push. It hit it. Okay, look the consolidation over here, and then we start to reverse. That's your first sell. You go with it. Okay, you start securing over this area, and then leave it to the neckline. And it did it. If you remember, I told you I need to see a reaction on this area. Okay, and then it did it. Look how many days it passed. It's like it reached this area I was talking about. Okay, let me remove this 1 second. Okay, here even that's your second sell after this big push. That's your second sell. Look at this big push. We took it, guys. It was great. So now I will wait this over here. I'm not gonna take any sells over here. Akid. After this push, even if it go, I'm gonna wait now. Like it's been pushing good, so I need a retracement as those candles, and then we see the break. Okay, so for the sell, there's nothing to do. I'm not gonna take it now. It's pushing down, but I need to see this area. Okay, that's the neckline of the double bottom. Okay, and that's look at this area. Look all this area. So I need to wait to see here as a retracement and then breaking down, or it might like break it. So break it and then retrace a bit and then you take it. Okay, that's how you wait for your confirmation. Look at these candles. I'm not gonna take anything and like where's my stop loss as a swing. Okay, there's nothing to confirm where is my stop loss. Okay, so I'm gonna wait this reaction. I'm gonna wait the close, and then tomorrow we will see how it's gonna be like over this area for the buys and the sells, because the buys there's nothing to put over here right now. Honestly, there's nothing like shows, but it's there is like a bullish momentum. Okay, so we will wait for the buy and the sell for the US30, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, we go for gold. So, okay, gold even. Look on the daily. That break, that was an amazing break even on this area. Those liquidity highs. Okay, it hit this area, and then it reversed, like it started reversing. Look at this candle, and then this candle closed again, like a reversal candles. This candle like broke those two, the previous. You start taking this as like sell from this area. Okay, your stop loss can be over here. It can be over here. Yani, as much as it's like your risk. Okay, if to 1% فيكم give it a bit للstop loss and don't put it مثلا tight, too much tight. Okay, هون you can put it over here but not, don't put it undo it, like give it a bit, like 10 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips. Okay, so for now it pushed down. Tomorrow's candle, if it opened the daily, went up and then pushing down, breaking this low, that's gonna be great. Okay, this low, it's pushing down. I always tell you the market is like walk like waves. Okay, look, a push down, retracement, push down. Here it's consolidation, push up, retracement, push up, retracement, and then push up and reversal. Okay, so now it pushed down, it retraced. So I'm gonna wait. That there is no trade range over here on the daily. On the lower time frame, you can scalp like I keep different types. Okay, for now I need to see the daily. If we have an open and quick up and pushing down as an intraday, you can see this area, how you can take it. Okay, that's like 40, 50, 60 pips. And then you can keep runner. Okay, and you see the break of this area. As an intraday, if you catch like your trade from here and you didn't close it, you're breaking this one. Okay, okay, if not, wait to see like a good break over here that might continue to form. As you can see here, look at those low, higher low, and then here like we broke this, the last higher low, and then like retraced. What for now, that there's nothing confirmed until I see tomorrow. It might even open, look down, and then push up, breaking even. It's gonna be good to continue like the push. Okay, so I'm talking about the sell. It retraced, so this break might continue to make a new lower high, the lower low, sorry, low, and then to make a lower low. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna wait for the sell. Even the buy, I'm gonna wait for it to see how it's gonna be breaking. Even we might open, look down. You never know. Okay, so when you take it as an intraday, you secure over this area. You always secure over this area. Okay, you have it like as like clean traffic. There is a strong area over here, but you see, like it's scalping. Okay, so for swing, that's the sell I'm gonna be waiting for. As for the buy, breaking this area again to continue the bullish push. Okay, here I'm talking on this move. That's a bearish. If you look, okay, look the weekly. It's still bullish. Now look at this weekly candle. Look at this red, like beautiful retraction. So it's gonna be breaking at the same time the two previous weekly candles. Okay, look at this. That's a rejection until end. That's a good candle closed as a bearish candle. Okay, and then this weekly candle opened, look up and pushing down. So breaking here, that's great to take it as a swing. Okay, from the top of the double top. Okay, so let's wait, let's watch the gold. It's good. Okay, so that's it for the gold. We go for GJ, even GJ crazy push up, crazy push up. هيبقى عمود guys. Look at this big push. Retracement, push, retracement, push. Look at even those retracement. That's small, but that's why I said about the GJ and MDU30. Sometimes only one candle red. That's a retracement. If the bullish momentum strong, okay. And look how many times it retraced. So now I'm gonna wait. We hit this area even. So I'm gonna wait even to see tomorrow's candle. Now it's been like pushing big time. But even it can keep pushing, and that's not the idea. But we need confirmation for the continuation, okay? We will see tomorrow how the candle is gonna be like doing. If it opened with down and then pushing up, go to the lower time frame. Okay, you go to the lower time frame. Until now, that's still too much bullish, and even it might continue. But yeah, I need to see tomorrow's open active. Okay, so on the 4 hours here, even we made like a new higher high. Look, and then now that's still like that's like the liquidities, but still higher low, if you can see. Okay, so breaking this one, it's gonna continue like walking with the market structure, guys. Okay, with the trend, so it's gonna continue like with the bullish move. But how much? That's like the question. It's been pushing too much, so I prefer to see a bigger retracement, a bigger like confirmation for me on the daily, so it's gonna be more safe to take it. Okay, so that's it for the buy. In the 1 hour, there's nothing. Okay, let's stay on the daily. That's for the buy. As for the sell, even to confirm it, I'm gonna wait up. I put like uh, far sell until like for now to see how it's gonna be pushing. Okay, so the sell that's far. I'm gonna put it, but like for sure, don't take it in one candle. If you see the daily open wake up, sorry, and pushing down, don't take it with one candle. You wait to close at least over here, see on the 4 hour a retracement, and then pushing down, yes, you take it. Okay, even if it breaks, guys, over here, wait a retracement, a retest, and then pushing down. So that's it for GJ. We go for the euro. For the euro, it's a good push. That was a good push. Look over here. I love those retests, like the retest of the same high or the same lows that the market do after like always a big push up or a big push down and then forming is like a double top until now on a strong area. So that's good confirmations. Okay. So for the euro, I'm gonna wait a daily. Akid, we might consolidate because look at all this euro and then like a huge push. So the euro will be exhausted. I think. Let's see. So it depends on the news coming, Akid. So I need a retracement. I go to the 4 hours. Okay. Look at this push. I need a retracement. Okay. To confirm the continuation. يعني ريح المارket. Not like if I take it over here right now without the retracement. I don't know if like where's my stop loss over here. That's too tight even to put your like the stop loss. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna go down again. So that's why like be careful from those mistakes. And don't be in a hurry. Always follow how the market's breaking. Even like the euro, there's no volume. And he works too slow. Okay, for the sell, I'm gonna wait for this break to take it. Okay, all this area. I need like a break of it. Okay, to take like the sell, and we will see. We will go with the TPs to reach. Let's see to reach this low. Okay, look at the weekly. Look at the weekly. Even that's a failed trend line. Okay, look at this big trend line. That's monthly. Okay, you go look at the weekly even. Okay, look at this, and that's all this area. You can put it as an area, okay, not like only like one line. I put the first of it. Okay, you can put it as a flag. How you do the flag? Okay, put this area, and that's a strong area. Okay, here we are reaching still here, and we are so close even to this trend. Okay, and now forming like look high, lower high, lower high, here lower high, and still here equal. Now we might continue the bearish push. Okay, let's see the break. As I told you how to take the break. Okay, and we can go with it as like a swing. And if you go like for a long term, you can leave it to this area. Even that's for the euro, and that's 260 pips. The Dow do it in 1 hour. Okay, so let's see how the break is gonna be there. As for the buy, I'm gonna wait even. I need a break, a retest, and then pushing up, like to take it as small buy. It's not like as a swing. Okay, because here we have strong like levels, so we need to be watching those levels. Okay, so that's it for the euro. Lama, you do GU?
Yes, but let me see if Norman has any study on gold, if you want to share with us.
There's Norman. Oh, hello, Norman. Norman, can you hear us?
I'm not sure. Norman, I will do the GBP.
Yes.
Internet connection is slow. Okay, no problem. But when I finish, if you have any study to share, you can do that. Okay, so let's see the GBP USD. Today, a big reversal happened. It was a beautiful reversal, a beautiful sell. Look what a move down, one way down today. Of course, after all this move up, we were going up now for a long time. So of course, it will retrace at some point. Hopefully, it will continue its wave, its move up until it makes the wave 3 of the Elliott waves, because we have, you know, the extension waves and the retracement waves, as we can see here. Let's see on the lower time frame. So that was a resistance line, also a support line, which is a strong key level. Breaking it will be a sell opportunity. That's why if you see here, after breaking this line, we went into a sell, okay, or it went down, all the way down. So for now, because I noticed lately, for the past 2 days, the GBP started moving on the US market, and mainly it was moving at midnight on different market, like the Japanese market, يعني, and the Australian market. Okay, so because yesterday, if we notice that we had, if you see here, we had at 3 a.m. Dubai time, a news on the GBP that made it also move. And today also it was like moving already. So we had the news in the afternoon, I think, yeah, here at 6. This news also, it made the move a little bit like faster for the GBP, and it went down. Of course, the US dollar affects the GBP because it is quoted on the US dollar. So the US market affects the same way as the European market affects the GBP or the GU. Now I prefer, to be honest, to wait for the FOMC, because it's not the FOMC news, it's like a speech. But of course, I prefer to see after this time. So in 1 hour, I think from now, or 30 minutes from now, we will have like this move on the US dollar to be like more clear with the next step, what will happen tomorrow. Because after also this way down, I don't think it will continue down unless, for example, the news was positive for the US dollar, so it will make the GBP go down. Okay, so let's see the news. For now, this is it for me. On the daily, yani, we have this Elliott wave, the beautiful Elliott wave. And, you know, we were before in a down move. If we see here, we have the highs and the lower highs forming. And then, of course, yani, it reversed. We have high and higher high. So we are in a move, yani, parallel, sorry, what do you say? Like a trend, uptrend. Sorry, I forgot the word. Okay, so we are in an uptrend. Let's see what will happen. Mainly breaking here, this high. Okay, the high of this candle can be my buy opportunity, or if we want to like take it on the 4 hours or daily, if we go on a lower time frame, yani we can take the buy from here. Okay, it can be like a scalp trade, يعني بس إنه fast one around like 20 pips. You can see it on the 30 minutes also. Okay, so we can benefit from here, from this buy. As for the sell, let me see. يعني either breaking here, it can be يعني هيك safe, more safe to take the sell from here. Or if we want to go on a lower time frame, I prefer to take the sell from here, breaking here, this red line, because it's safer here. Like here, even if I put a support, come in, it can be a trade for around like 30 pips. Wait a second. Yeah, around this range. But let's see how the market will close. And of course, I always work on price action. I wait for the candle to open, makes a wick up, and then while going down, it can be like a confirmation for me for the buy or for the sell, of course, if it's going down. If it makes a wick down and start going up, it will be my confirmation for the buy opportunity. By the way, guys, don't forget the free bootcamp that we are having, the Forex bootcamp on Saturday. It's gonna be next Saturday, the 8th of June. Okay, I already sent the Zoom link for registration. You can also invite the people that you know who might be interested from this bootcamp. We will be explaining a lot about the strategies. It's like a course. It's gonna be for 5 hours from 12 p.m. Dubai time, 12 noon, I mean, till 5 p.m. in the afternoon. It's very helpful. It's gonna be very helpful. We will give live examples also on like the trades that we take from Discord. We will be explaining on TradingView. We will be giving like also theory about the patterns, price action, market, for example, also the Elliott wave. I have the schedule because I don't remember everything. So you can benefit a lot from this bootcamp. Okay, so try to be in this bootcamp. It will be very helpful for you. I think this is it for me. Miguel, do you like to add anything?
No, that's it. That's all.